Hey, I'm Matias with Toast, and we've got another unboxing video for you. We have the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 12 mini. We're gonna open these guys up, compare them to the regular iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, and see how they all stack up. All right, we're starting out with the mini. And this is in the red, which is raising money for AIDS awareness. Ooh, this thing does feel nice and compact. I was kind of surprised by that. Let's take a look at this guy. That's pretty slick. I like the contrast of the edge there and the glass. That looks really slick, black and red. And wow, that is a really pocketable, nice handheld size. I like that. All right, so on the other side of the spectrum from the mini, we have the Pro Max. Let's take a look at this beast of a phone. So totally different scale. I mean, look at the size difference between these guys. Just enormous. So we've got the mini with a 2-camera setup, and then this is the Pro Max with the super fancy 3-camera with LiDAR and all kinds of business. And you can see they definitely beefed up the size of those. This just feels like a massive machine compared to those, but you know, you get a huge gorgeous screen, and then you get those crazy fancy cameras with stabilization and all kinds of stuff going on there. So let's take a look and see what these guys look like compared to the 12 Pro right here. So even that, you can see, I mean, that's got a pretty good size difference in phones. So that Max really just takes it to a whole other level. And then just to compare, we've got the regular 12, and this one I've got my Toast cover on here. This is our new rosewood. Just wanted to kind of show that wood wrap and how that wraps around the full screen and everything. Screen surround, buttons covered, your camera covered, so it's nice and protected. So it's actually, the wood stands proud of the lenses there. So compare and contrast, we got these sizes, and then we got the mini. Maybe a hair thinner even. So you got the little screen, you got the big screen, and the little guys in between. So, you know, I thought it would be interesting looking at this mini and how small and petite it feels. I actually busted out the old iPhone 5 to take a look at how that guy compares. And, you know, it really feels so similar. It really, though it's probably like a 10% difference in size, it does feel quite similar scale-wise, especially compared to these jumbo phones. Then you've got the full screen on there, you know, without all the bezels and stuff. So you got a lot more screen on this guy compared to the old iPhone 5, but wow, it's light. It's light, it's crisp. I think they're doing a lot of great things with the mini there. So if you're looking for something that's easy to pocket, that kind of disappears in there pretty nicely. Take this honker. Feels more like a football thigh pad than anything. So there you have it. As far as, you know, personal preferences in here, I have to say I really like the feel of this guy, but we do so much on our phones these days that mid-size is actually kind of a great functional scale. Do definitely prefer that stainless steel edge of the Pros. That's kind of gorgeous. Of course, we're gonna cover it up with our Toast cover, so you're never gonna see that. But the plan is to get to work right away, get those covers developed for the Mini and the Pro Max, and get them in your hands. So if you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to subscribe and like, and we will see you next time.